Have parties announced.
Jason Garrett, here for the state, Your Honor.
Teresa Garcia for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Leha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney and did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Andrew Mark Leha who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 6204 for the offense of theft $2,500 to $30,000 on July 9th, 2024 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, violated condition number one on or about the 30th day of September 2024 in Dale County, Texas. To the defendant, Andrew Mark Reha, committed the offense of theft in violation of condition number one.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number one, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 1 year in the state jail facility and up to a $500 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number one?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number one true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor,
Yes.
and that is to have, to deny the motion, continue on his probation and order moral or MRT therapy.
More recognition
Yeah,
there.
recognition. And then also judge a 10-day jail sanction starting from today. Also, the state will take in consideration two false numbers. One being that he pled true to today, which is 2024 CC 738906. And that is the theft. And then another theft that was previously supposed to be TIC, but was not, but we're included in this MTR is 2024 CC 738391, and that is also a theft. And Judge, also we're asking for a no contact order with all hunting goods.
That's correct, Judge. That is our agreement.
All right, so Mr. Leha, what I can tell you is I'm not going to follow that agreement. I'm going to revoke you. And let me just tell you, and people always say, don't say too much on the record, but I want you to understand the reason why I'm doing it. I understand that they want the MRT, but how old are you?
46.
You're 46. So, I mean, you're at an age, you're supposed to know right from wrong. You can't take what doesn't belong to you. And you are on probation for a theft case. And when you were placed on probation for this theft case, there were cases that were taken in consideration. They were thefts. And then now you're back and now there's a new theft. So I don't think you're a good candidate for probation. So I'm not going to continue you. What I'm going to do is I'm finding number one true. I'll take into consideration 2024 CC 73890, 2024 CC 738391. There's to be no contact with any Home Depots. And I'm going to sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's a $500 fine, time and money will run concurrently. And I think there was a no contact in that case as well. Let me see which person that was with or facility. And there's a no contact with Dick's Sporting Goods. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you do have a right to appeal in this case, but that right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Your attorney actually did a very good job for you because now you're not looking at all of these other cases. So you should not have any more cases on your books when you come out, but you cannot take what doesn't belong to you. All right.
Sure.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right.
I ain't been able to get that yet.
Oh, you can get a new attorney.
Please,
Yes, most definitely. You need to hire one.
yes, I don't need him representing.
No, you need to hire an attorney.
I know. I
All
don't
right,
need him.
so until you hire an attorney, this is your
It's been
attorney.
very rude and I'm not gonna accept it.
All right, here's the thing. You-
I'm just trying to work my case, man.
No,
I
here's,
went to SASH and I did my work.
okay,
I was there for 7 months doing my work to the best of my ability. I passed every test. I passed my evaluation,
mhm.
and there's still no improvement or nothing or
Oh, well,
anything.
let me explain something to you. I want you to listen to me, okay? So whenever you go to SASH
There's been a lot of
and you
mistakes.
pass, I know, here's the thing.
My
Listen, all
rights
right?
have been violated.
Will you listen? Are you gonna listen? Because if you're not gonna listen, I'm gonna have to send you back. All right. So when you go to SASH and they restore your competency, it takes a while. There actually has to be a hearing in front of Judge Carruthers to say that your competency has been restored. And then your attorney can work on your case. That's how it works.
I've been doing that.
So here's my
studied that.
question. Have you
Studied all that.
studied?
Yes,
All right. And did you learn everything?
most of it, yes.
All right. Is there anything that you didn't learn?
I know that it's bothering me that I've been asking for a new attorney, and that's what I need.
Mhm. All right, so this is your attorney. So
Not my
here's
attorney.
my question. Have you had a chance to review the evidence that the state has, that they say they have against you? Have you had a chance to see that?
There needs to be a lot of volunteer work. There needs to be a lot of that going on. Because there ain't nothing really. It's just been the same since I left. That's what it seems like. And I've learned. Best believe I learned, and I'm trying to do right. I learned from that program.
Yeah.
The ups and downs, all that.
Mhm.
And I'm just asking for another chance. That's all.
Okay. No,
And I work for that. And that's all I'm asking. I want some probation at least.
all right. So
I'm-
I want to tell you something about that. I understand that you're saying you did the work. And I appreciate you're doing the work because it takes a
I
lot.
got all my homework here.
Oh, no,
I
no,
have
no.
My folder with my legal mail. I couldn't get that. I couldn't even bring that to show you that.
Oh, no, no, no. Here's the thing. You don't have to bring that to show me because I believe you. I believe you when you say you did the work. I
Sure.
believe you when you say that they said that you've been restored. Okay, so you don't have to show it to me because I believe that. So then the next step is this. Your counsel, have you had all of the discovery from the state?
I have the discovery judge, but he was just transferred from the hospital and the restoration hearing was about a week and a half.
Okay,
And so I have not had a chance to show him on Zoom what we have.
all right, so
The pandemic,
wait a minute, let me stop.
COVID, all that took place.
All right, here's the thing. I want you to listen to me. All right. The state is here. Your attorney is here. Do you want to see today the information the state has? Or do you want
I'm
to
not
set it
gonna
for another?
sign 10 years.
I'm not, here's the thing.
No 10
Then,
years
no,
time. TTC.
No, this is
I'm
what
not
you,
gonna
no,
sign that.
this is what, so I know what's going on now. What's going on now is he does not like the offer that has been extended to him. So what we'll do is we'll set this for jury trial and a plea deadline date. Ms. Ferguson, state, how long do you expect this trial to last?
Judges, it should. With jury selection, probably possibly 3 days, Your Honor.
All right, could I have a jury trial date for him and plea deadline date? It'll be the same. And Deputy Laura, when he's brought back, he'll need to be brought dressed for trial. All right, so we're going to bring you over December 9th for jury trial. All right, thank you.
New attorney with the new attorney.
This will be your attorney unless you hire one.
I don't need him. I don't want him as my attorney.
All right, thank you very much for informing me of that. All right,
Maybe excuse.
yes.
Thank you.
Oh, could you make sure that you do an acknowledgement of discovery?
Yes.
All right, thank you.